ControlLogic's Maintainer Certificate, Lab Exercise 3. Connecting a computer to a communication network in a ControlLogic system. In this lab, we'll be assigning a static IP address to a computer, configuring a communication driver using RSLinks, and backing up and restoring that driver configuration using RSLinks. The first step will be to connect an Ethernet cable from your computer to the Ethernet IP module in your ControlLogic's chassis. Next, we'll change the settings of our computer's Ethernet network interface card. Exactly how we do this will be operating system dependent, but here we're going into our Ethernet connection, into Properties, and into TCP IP version 4. We're going to set a static IP address of 192.168.1.2 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Your exact IP address may vary depending on your lab configuration. Verify that your Ethernet IP module has a solid green OK indicator. Next, we'll start RSLinks. And we'll click on the Configure Drivers button. It's shaped like a little cable. Under Available Driver Types, we'll select Ethernet IP Driver and Add New. We'll give this some appropriate name. We'll select Windows Default and then click OK. Also, we should be able to see this driver running when we're completed setting it up. Expanding our new driver will allow us to see each of the modules in the backplane, and if we right-click on Module 1 and go to Device Properties, we'll be able to see the revision number of our processor, which is 30.014 in this case. Locate slot 2 and press the plastic tabs at the top and the bottom of the module to remove it from the chassis. In Links, select the module, and it will indicate that it's no longer connected with a red X over the card's icon. To reinsert the module, locate the groove in the chassis and line it up with the card in the module. The card can be reinserted with varying levels of finesse. Connect a USB cable from your laptop to the front of the controller in slot 1 of your ControlLogic's chassis. You should see that a USB driver automatically appears in RSLinks. If you disconnect your USB cable, the USB driver will automatically disappear from RSLinks. And if you reconnect it, it will automatically reinstall itself. Let's navigate to our RSLinks Classic Backup Restore utility. From here, we can select Backup and choose an appropriate file name and path to store the backup of our current driver settings. Let's imagine that we accidentally delete our new Ethernet IP driver. I'm going to click Stop and Delete, and here we can see it's no longer available. Now if we go back into our RSLinks Classic Backup Restore utility and click Restore, we should be able to go back into RSLinks and see that recently deleted driver is now available again because we've restored it from our backup. And here it is, safe and sound.